Welcome to Microsoft tutorial. So you go to your computer, just click on start and then go for Word. Then when you get to the Word, you wait for a few minutes. That's your Word there, and then you go to a blank page so you can so what you have to do, you can just set the margin last on the layout, and then from there you can go to save as. You can save in any part of your folder. You can just type it, how to create and manage a table. You can give it any title you want of your table. So in my case it's a tutorial that I say save and how to manage a table using Microsoft and creating one. And now we go to insert. From there we go to table and then you click insert table. Then from there you check the numbers, check the default part. So the default will be, you have the number, you can see 4 columns and 2 rows, so you can see the number. You can just cut that, just cut, or you can just let me just cut. Then I start to name let me say Tembisa High Secondary, Tembisa Secondary School. And then we have so we shift, you select all and then you option, and you go to right click and you go to merge. Okay, so then it becomes one row combined, and then there you have to say subject. You can type in subject, let me say it's English, maths, physics, any other subject like maybe life science, or let me say life science. And then you press tab. Okay, you can add there using that arrow. Immediately when you put the mouse on that part, it's gonna show. And then you can also go to the mouse. When you put the mouse on the edge, it shows the option to add, so you can add on top. So you can also do that, and you can copy or whatever you can do. And then there's physics. You can cut. You can do whatever you want, like you can cut, right click and cut, and then from there you can paste there. So you can cut and paste. So the option doesn't show, you have to think of another way. Okay, so what we do, we can right click there at the bottom. Okay, let's delete everything. You place Control Z or Control Y, and then you go to click there, and then you right click and say insert at the bottom, and then insert row at the bottom. Then you can type and say you have male, and then you have female, and then the side you have, okay, let's say the school is grade 12, and then you have 100, 401, you have 35. So you're just populating the table. 52 male doing life science, 115 doing English, 50 doing that, and so forth. So life science we have again 60 which are female, and then the total number. So the total number you can just add up. You can use a calculator. Okay, that is going to be 91, and then this is going to be 73, and then that one is going to be 112. So you can add, you click, when you put the mouse on the edge, it gives you option, so you can create an option there. So you can change the color, highlight here by clicking and highlight, and then it's change the color there, highlight with the mouse. Just when you pass the mouse over the number, then you can right click there, option gives you option, and then you say that. So that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe. I'll be coming more with other tips later. Let me know what you want to know about Microsoft. I'll be ready to provide. Thank you.